Good morning and Merry Christmas. You'll notice the sun is going a bit crazy over here, coming through the blinds, creating all these white spots and everything. So the light may vary a whole lot, but I'm not going to be here long because I'm going to be screen sharing. As I said, Merry Christmas. I'm going to run through setting up a blog with Blogger. For those of you who may not be familiar with it, it's short, sweet, simple. So let's get started, shall we? Let me do the screen share here. We're going to screen share this, and then we will screen share this, and we'll say here. Okay, now, wait, there's something wrong because we're not, let's do this. And this is what we want to share right here. Okay, now hopefully you're seeing my screen share. I think we've got this worked out now. So what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go, I've got a pin tab up here. This goes to one of my blog accounts, okay? Once you actually set up your Blogger account, put the Blogger app on your browser. When you go to your list of blogs, as you can see, I get this drop-down menu. These are the ones recent blogs I visited. These are all the blogs I have. We're going to create a new blog. This is how to create a new blog, not put Blogger onto your quick. We'll do that in another video. So we're going to go here to new blog. We've got to give the new blog a title, and we'll say, and is demo blog. Okay, address. First, let's get some spacing in here, okay? Now, you can get a custom. So let's look for a blog name, but it's probably not done. Just for demonstration purposes. Now that may look like a strange name. Okay. That's all got to be one word, all right? So this is going to be, for the address, we're going to say 2802 PENOCK.blogspot.com, and we'll say this. And that's what. Now this what I've named it is a combination of a street number and a street, but there is no 2802 Pennock. Pennock's 3 blocks long. That's just something I did. Now we're going to pick a theme. And where was the theme? Simple. I like simple for a theme. And it says create blog. So we'll create a blog. Google domains, we're not wanting a Google domain right now, okay? So we will now view the blog as we have created it. And there it is. As you can see, we have no posts, well, no nothing. Once you create the blog, that's what it looks like. Later, you can play with this and make it as fancy as you want. But you've now created your blog. What I wanted to show you is the use of just a blog to use as a news feed. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here, and we're going to say design. And that can take you to the layout. This is where you will do all your changing of. What we're interested in here is the reading list. If I click reading list, okay, these are all of the different blogs and websites that this blogger account, not this blog, this blogger account has already got in their reading list. Okay, so you go over here, and as you can see, last update was to update there to a blog that I've created. This is to Randy Seaver's blog. But if you want to add more, you just go up here, you click more, you click add, and you put in the URL of whatever it is that you want to follow. You know, for instance, if I go up here, and let's say that I don't want to follow G+ updates. I just want to follow this particular update, right? So the first thing I do is I'll click here. Click this link. That pops that out to just this thread, okay? As you can see. Now, if I take Control C, and we go back over here, paste this in, Control V, say next. I can follow it publicly as myself, set it on the dashboard, or I can follow it anonymously. If I click this, that increased from 53 to 54. And now the weird thing about this list is it goes in alphabetical order of the blog or the website. So that was in, what domain was this? Google Plus update. So let's go over here and see what, if anything, is in Google Plus updates. There doesn't seem to be anything in Google Plus updates. So I wonder what name they have used in it. We'll have to find this out. All right, Zoomtopia. That's the Facebook, use Live, and Web, GitHub. The G+ sunset is being brought by, it was the title of the post that they did it, see? So if I wanted to see just that, I could click here, and it takes me right to it. So you can do that with any article, basically anything that you can get a URL for, you can add that here into your Google Reader. Where did my blog thing go? Yeah, Andy's demo blog. You go down here to the reading list, and this is all the blogs. And see, this is now updated 1 hour ago. This is constantly updating. So you can check all your readings here, or you can go to any particular blog that you're following. I hope this is making sense. I'm going to stop the screen share now. Okay, we're back. The sun is coming through at a weird thing, so the lighting's gone all wrong. Anyway, that is the adding anything with the URL to the reader, to the reading list on a blog without any post or anything. Yeah, so we're going to stop sharing this, or stop recording this rather, and thanks for watching.